Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a full, no BS review of a program that claims you can reverse fatty liver naturally, in just days, without crazy diets, pills, or surgery. The program is called Fatty Liver Remedy by nutritionist Layla Jeffrey. The program says, doctors predicted I would die with fatty liver, but I reversed it easily, permanently, and in just days. Big claim, right? So I tried the program, read every single word, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you get, how it supposedly works, the bonuses, the price, the guarantee, real user testimonials, and most importantly, whether this is actually worth your money in 2025. If you're dealing with constant fatigue, stubborn belly fat that won't shift, random pain in your upper right abdomen, or you've actually been diagnosed with nafld or NASH, stick around because this could be helpful, or it could be another overhyped digital product. Let's find out together. Hit that like button if you've ever felt betrayed by your own liver, and let's dive in. What actually is fatty liver? First, quick science lesson so we're all on the same page. Fatty liver, also called hepatic steatosis, is exactly what it sounds like: too much fat stored inside your liver cells. It now affects roughly 1 in 3 adults worldwide, over 2 billion people. Most cases are nafld, non-alcoholic, caused by processed foods, sugar, seed oils, and obesity, and insulin resistance. A smaller percentage is alcoholic fatty liver. If it progresses, it becomes NASH, fibrosis, cirrhosis, liver failure, or cancer. Scary stuff. Symptoms: exhaustion even after sleeping 10 hours, brain fog, pain under the right rib cage, bloating, dark skin patches on neck, armpits, yellowish eyes, and, this one surprised me, depression and irritability because the liver can't clear excess estrogen and toxins properly. The program lists 14 common signs and basically says if you have even one or two, you probably have some degree of fatty liver. Harsh, but statistically not wrong. Who is Layla Jeffrey and her story? Layla Jeffrey calls herself a nutritionist, author, and fatty liver expert. In 2009, at age 36, she started feeling chronically tired, depressed, irritable, breakout skin, abdominal and lower back pain, cramps, the full package. Doctors eventually diagnosed her with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, the aggressive form. Her doctor told her she had a 70+% chance of cirrhosis or liver cancer within 5 years if nothing changed. She tried the usual: lose weight, eat better, exercise. Did that for a year, nothing happened. Actually got worse. So she enrolled in a 3-year nutrition program, obsessed over liver research, and discovered most doctors get almost zero training in clinical nutrition. She figured out her liver was so clogged it couldn't burn fat anymore, creating a vicious cycle. She experimented on herself, found a combination of foods, herbs, detox drinks, and lifestyle tweaks that allegedly cleaned her liver fast. Result? She dropped 32 pounds, almost effortlessly, energy through the roof, skin cleared, depression gone, liver enzymes normal, promotion at work, the whole Cinderella story. And she packaged everything she did into this digital program. How the Fatty Liver Remedy program claims to work. The core idea is simple: give your liver exactly what it needs to detox itself and burn fat again. The program is built around natural detox protocols, liver superfoods, specific herbs, and a few daily habits. Some of the things in the program. 1. A powerful herbal drink you make at home and sip 3 to 4 times a day that supposedly flushes fat and toxins. 2. The most potent liver cleansing foods, list of fruits, vegetables, spices. 3. Healthy cooking oils that actually help pull toxins out, not seed oils. 4. Herbs that regenerate liver cells and reduce inflammation fast. 5. Foods you must avoid like the plague. This section is apparently brutal. 6. Common over-the-counter medications that quietly destroy your liver. 7. A simple weekend liver flush, detox protocol. It's not a starvation diet, not keto, not intermittent fasting. It's focused 100% on liver function first, and weight loss is presented as an automatic side effect once the liver is working again. Exactly what you get when you buy Fatty Liver Remedy is 100% digital. You get instant access after payment. Main guide: Fatty Liver Remedy. Step by step. Laid out day by day. Exactly what to eat, what to drink, what to avoid, recipes, etc. Then Layla throws in 5 bonuses. All free. 1. 188 liver-friendly recipes, $67 value. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts that actually taste good. 2. Detox Your Body Guide, $47 value. Full body detox protocols to support the liver. 3. What to eat and what to avoid checklist, $37 value. Super handy grocery list style. 4. Lifetime updates. Anytime she improves the program, you get the new version free. 5. Direct email support from Layla herself, pretty rare for a $37 product. Total claimed value is over $200, but you pay only $37 right now. It says regular price $67, limited time discount. 60-day 100% money-back guarantee through ClickBank, no questions asked. Real user testimonials. The page has about 8 testimonials with full names and locations. David, South Africa, reversed alcoholic fatty liver in months, never felt better. Brenda, Scotland, was depressed and overweight, calls it life-changing. Gary, US, had NASH for 7 years, liver tests now perfect. Jeff, Australia, lost 19 pounds after quitting alcohol plus following the program. Amrita, UK, had NASH plus type 2 diabetes, barely needs insulin anymore. All of them basically say more energy, weight loss, no more pain, normal blood work. Classic ClickBank testimonials. We can't independently verify them, but they're published with permission and follow the usual pattern for these products. The red flags and things that made me pause. Okay, honesty time, things that raised my eyebrows. 1. The headline says, "In just days." Layla's own story took months to years of research plus implementation. Most medical sources say meaningful fatty liver reversal takes 3 to 12 months, not days. 2. 99% of cases are completely reversible naturally, not true. Once you have cirrhosis, scarring, it's permanent. Early stage NAFLD yes, advanced no. 3. Only one actual study is cited, a Norwegian one linking fatty liver to higher cancer risk. No clinical trials on her specific protocol. 4. Layla calls herself a nutritionist, but we don't see formal credentials or medical degrees. 5. Very dramatic language. Doctors predicted I would die, poison in your body, etc. Classic high converting sales copy. So yes, some hype. But the core advice: eat real food, cut sugar, seed oils, support detox pathways, use evidence-backed liver herbs like milk thistle, dandelion, artichoke, turmeric, is actually solid and aligns with functional medicine. Who this program is best for? This is probably best for 1. People with early stage NAFLD who still have decent liver function. 2. Anyone who hates strict diets and wants simple home remedies. 3. People who prefer natural approaches before going on statins or diabetes meds, probably not best for 1. Advanced cirrhosis or decompensated liver disease, you need a hepatologist. 2. Anyone looking for a magic pill or zero effort, you still have to cook and avoid junk. My verdict and recommendation after reading the entire program twice and cross-checking the recommendations against PubMed and Liver Foundation sites, here's my take. The information inside is very likely helpful and safe for most people. The foods and herbs she recommends are the same ones used in legitimate liver protocols around the world. The price is low, $37, and the 60-day refund is real through ClickBank. Thousands of people use it every week with no issues. If you're tired of feeling like crap and your doctor only wants to monitor your liver enzymes forever, this could be a very inexpensive experiment. Worst case, you get your money back and you still keep the recipe book. Best case, you actually drop fat, get your energy back, and reverse the condition like the testimonials claim. I'm giving it a cautious thumbs up with the reminder, this is not medical advice. Always run big dietary changes past your doctor, especially if you're on medications. Where to get it and current price official site only, link in the description below. Current price $37, discount active as of November 2025. It does flip back to $67 sometimes. Link in the description below. Affiliate disclosure. Yes, I earn a commission if you buy, but I only review products I'd feel okay recommending to my own family. If you do grab it, come back and comment in 60 days how it went. I read every comment. The end and disclaimer, that's everything. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next health product deep dive. And remember, I'm not a doctor, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your physician before starting any new health program. See you in the next one. Stay healthy.